reason or another, there was a quick move around between 15 and 51 Squadron, and they said to me, you're going to be trained on mortars, which I found very exciting, but I also found it very frightening, because at the age of 19 and 1 month, I was going on to the specialist weapons flight, mortar flight, where the average age was about 32. Those were your senior SACs, and those were the guys that you looked up to. And I joined that flight, and they got a grip of me and they told me how life was, watch and learn sort of routine, and they put me at ease. They knew I was very young, and on I went to do mortar training. Soon afterwards I got told that the squadron or support weapons flight was heading to RAF Salalah. Hadn't a clue what that was, no one told me really. They said Salalah is in Oman. I hadn't a clue where Oman was. I asked the corporal, where is Oman? He said, ask an officer. And
So
I went into the unknown really.
Yeah.